Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you recently got a strange email from Google mentioning that its new AI, Gemini, can now access apps like WhatsApp, Messages, and others, you're not alone. But here's the twist. Not everyone got this message. Google is quietly rolling out Gemini permissions, and some users have reported that the AI may be reading app usage, message metadata, and more. Even more concerning, Google says that to improve quality and security, your data might be reviewed by real people. Yes, actual humans could be seeing snippets of your messages or app history. So if you're worried about your privacy, stick with me. I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to turn this off, whether you have the Gemini app or not. Let's get into it. What's happening behind the scenes? Starting July 7th, Google quietly enabled a feature that allows Gemini AI to interact with your device's messaging apps, like WhatsApp or Messages. Even more, there's a setting called Gemini Apps Activity that tracks and saves this interaction. And yes, this information can potentially be viewed by Google staff. If this feels like a privacy invasion, don't worry, you can disable it in just a few steps. Method 1. Turn it off via the Gemini app if you have it. 1. Open all apps on your phone. 2. Tap the search bar and type Gemini. 3. Open the Gemini app. 4. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. 5. Select Gemini Apps Activity from the menu. 6. You'll see a message saying Saving Activity is on. 7. Tap Turn Off, confirm it, and tap Got it. Done. This stops Gemini from saving your app usage and message interactions. Method 2. Turn it off via your Google account if you don't see the app. 1. Go to your phone's settings. 2. Scroll down and tap on Google. 3. Tap on Google account. 4. Use the search bar at the top and type Gemini Apps Activity. 5. Tap the option that says Manage and delete your Gemini Apps Activity. 6. Scroll down and look for a blue button. Go to Gemini Apps Activity. Tap it. 7. You'll now see the same toggle. Turn it off and confirm. That's it. You've successfully stopped Gemini from logging your private app data. If this video helped you take control of your privacy, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you never miss new updates on AI, security, and tech tips. Big thanks to everyone supporting this channel. If you'd like to support too, you'll find a link in the description below. Stay private, stay informed. See you in the next one.